Hey there, this is a quick tutorial on how to sign through the AuthentiSign software. Once you get the email, your signature is requested, then this is how to sign tutorial. You'll click the email and you can do this either on your computer or on your smartphone. You'll see this, and then it should come from AuthentiSign, and you'll start signing here. You'll click this button, and it'll take you into the signing. You'll hit accept here. Go ahead and read the terms. If you haven't signed before, you may need to address your font, whatever font you want on your signature. Okay, this might pop up first if you've never used AuthentiSign, but if you have, then it won't. It should remember you. And you can click here, remember my signature for future signatures, and then click here. Okay, now that we are here, okay, you are going to start signing. There should be a start button here, and all you do is you click it and it takes you to the next one, and see how your progress here. It tells you this is 1 of 7 items completed, and you'll click there. All right, if you have an option, so you can choose 1 or 2, okay, and it'll take you to the next one. See how it highlights this little square that is next? You'll click there. Now this one's highlighted. It'll just take you through in steps so that you don't miss one. If you need to enter text, you can do so here. If it's not required, you can just skip it, or you can put an X, or you can put an A, something like that. And then once you get out of that, you'll click the last one. Once you hit the last one, you'll say complete signing. Congratulations, you are done. And you can print what you signed here, or you can go back to your email, and here you'll have signing complete. This is a copy of what you signed so that you have it in your email. And once you sign it, I will also get that notification, and you can see here that all the documents have been signed. If you don't know how to download this, do not worry. I can just email it to you or print it and mail it to you.